An aircraft of high performance in offensive operations, and one that America has already supplied in large numbers, is the Boston 3, a machine in the tradition of our own Beauforts, Blenheims and Hamptons. It's done very good work in the Middle East, and lately from home bases, Bostons have taken part in a number of daylight raids across the Channel. There is a crew of 3, pilot, bomb aimer navigator, and wireless operator air gunner. The bomb load is twice that of the Blenheim, and its speed is greater too. During March, Boston squadrons with fighter escorts attacked, among a number of enemy objectives, the power station at Comines, railway yards at Abbeville and Hasbrook, shipyards at Loutré, and docks and Axis shipping at Le Havre. May they carry on with the good work.